4 ways to make your introvert guy more falling in love when first date. Quiet, shy, dreamy, and mysteriously impressed. That's the description of introverts, with their quiet and unpredictable nature, always having their own way of attracting you. Dating with an introverted man is not the same as a date with every man in general. Introverts are like a gift wrapped in layers of paper before you find any surprises in them. You should try more to discover their extraordinary side. Even if you have to work more, you have nothing to lose. Here are 4 things you should know before going out with a guy who has an introverted personality. 1. You will dominate the conversation more. When you are with an introvert, you will dominate the conversation, or at least start the conversation first. At the beginning of the introduction, you may have a perception of what things are fun to talk about, but eventually it will all disappear as you get closer and begin to open for you. Introverts are not easily open to everyone new to them. Usually they will read the situation around them first. Then they will know when they should show themselves, when they should keep silent. 2. Always make sure he is comfortable. For those of you who extroverts certainly enjoy being in the fun of gathering with many people. When you invite introverts, do not forget to ask them, especially when you also go with your friends. Be sure to check on their situation from time to time, asking if they are comfortable or not. Introverts have a way to stay calm with their own to communicate with you through body language or facial expressions. Try to capture the subtle signals they convey to you. That way you will know more about their situation. Because sometimes they will not say their discomfort openly in front of your friends. They try to appreciate you. 3. Ideas that you think are fun, not necessarily fun for your introverted partner. Going to a crowd or mall with a group of friends might make you a great idea for fun. But introverts enjoy more quiet things. Introverts will love to do simple activities like reading a book, sitting together under a tree, or having a conversation topic about life with you. It has given them abundant happiness. It also means you'll spend time alone together. You will have more quality time both together. So if you prefer a more lively atmosphere, try to understand them and accompany them in a quieter atmosphere. 4. Introvert men do not like the conversations that tend to impress the pleasantries. Perhaps some people like to chat with small talk just to make the atmosphere more intimate. But introverts do not really like this kind of conversation. They prefer a deeper conversation with the other person. That way, they will be able to pull out all the things they think, such as creative ideas, their outlook on life, even their future plans with you. Honesty for what you say is important in conversation with introverts. Honest conversation becomes one of the things that introverts people like more than a break-ice conversation. They prefer a deep conversation about ideas, your thoughts about one thing, or a discussion of your views on one thing. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. You will know about personality of people and help to find solution in life. Thank you for watching.